In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to make round element. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Begin the work by making a chain of 6. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready. Begin the first round. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, and chain more by pattern. Make 9 double crochet into the ring. 1, chain, 2, and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, and so on, till you will get 9 double crochet with chain. After we have done 9 double crochet with chain, to complete this round, work a slip stitch into the third chain stitch on the beginning of this round. Work with front loop. And make a slip stitch. Round is made. Begin the first round. Make a chain to bring up the yarn. Make chain 3 for the picot. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch and make slip stitch. The picot is ready. Make single crochet with picot. Insert the hook into the front loop of the chain stitch. Let's look at the back side. Make single crochet, chain 3 for the picot and work slip stitch into the 2 loops of the single crochet. The picot is ready. Insert the hook into the front loop of the next stitch. Here how it looks. Make single crochet, chain 3 for the picot and work a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. Work with next chain stitch. Insert the hook into the front loop, make single crochet, chain 3 for the picot and work a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. Insert the hook into the front loop, make single crochet, chain 3 for the picot and work a slip stitch. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. After we have done the last single crochet with picot, in total it should be 20. Insert the hook into the chain stitch in the beginning of this round and make a slip stitch into this chain stitch. Round is done. Let's look at the back side. This is the back loops. Make chain to bring up the yarn, turn the work, insert the hook into the back loop, make a slip stitch, make new round, make a chain of 5. 4 of them are to bring up the yarn. Chain of 4, then chain more, make treble crochet into the next back loop. Chain, make treble crochet into the next stitch, back loop, chain, treble crochet into the next back loop. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. After we have done the last treble crochet, insert the hook into the fourth chain stitch 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the front loop, make a slip stitch. Round is ready. Let's look at the back side. We have done 19 treble crochet stitches plus the chain on the beginning of this round. We can continue the work. Chain to bring up the yarn and make chain 3 for the picot and to work with slip stitch into the first chain stitch. As we did before, make single crochet with picot. Insert the hook into the front loop, make single crochet, chain 3 for the picot and make a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the front of the next stitch, make single crochet, then chain 3 and work a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the front loop, make single crochet and chain 3 for the picot and work a slip stitch. Work with front loops, single crochet and the picot. Let's look at the back side. They are back loops on the back side. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. As you remember, I worked with single crochet with picots. Let's complete this round. Make a slip stitch into the chain stitch at the beginning of this round. Round is completed. This is front, and let's turn this small project. They are back loops on the back side. Let's continue with the next round. We need to find the first free loop, make a slip stitch, I try to remove stitches of the previous round, chain 3, make double crochet into the each back loop. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch. I insert the hook into the front loop, make a slip stitch. Round is done. Let's turn the work and look at the back side of this element. Let's begin the next round. This is a very interesting element because you can stop at any stage of this work. You can use this element as a part of Irish lace project or as separate element. It is going to be the last round. Chain, make chain 3 for the picot, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make a slip stitch. Then I continue working with front loops. Make single crochet and chain 3 for the picot and make a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. Make single crochet, chain 3 for the picot and slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. Single crochet, chain 3 and work a slip stitch. Let's stop and look. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. After the last single crochet with picot, insert the hook into the first chain stitch on the beginning of this round by working a slip stitch. Round is done and the element is ready. As you can see, I have already cut off the yarn. We have got beautiful layered element. This is back side. As you can see, the back loops are visible on the back side. In this case, you can use these loops to join to the other elements or for the join to chaotic mesh. I remind you, this is the interesting element because you can stop at any stage of this work. I use gray color of yarn, you can use any that you like. Now I show you the example how you can use this element in Irish lace project. In tutorial 7 you can see how you can use such motif in Irish lace. Let's look at this example. In this case, I used such motifs 3 times. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and crochet with me. Thanks for watching.